Grace, my dance daughter. Dance daughter only, not my real daughter. Love her, but she's just my dance daughter. We're going to show you a new move. This is actually an old move. Haven't done it before in a couple years. It's very cool off the Hammerlock. We're going to do it first and then show you how to do it. Sugar push. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. 7, 8. Hammerlock whip. It's very cool. It's got a lot of hand changes there. We'll make it easy for you to follow and understand. How it begins, off the sugar push. You can put her in what's called a hammerlock. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Prep her with her right hand. She's on her right foot by 4, but raise her right hand and raise them out. So again, just hit 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Keep her left hand low. Make her turn to her right for a triple. It's called a hammerlock. So we're going to go front to back. Just to get into that, you guys are going to move over to her right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6. Now I'm off to her right, my left, only because I should be, but also so you can see how we get into that. Okay? So the next part is 2 walks. We'll move back over here. So on a sugar push, and then we're going to get into it. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So raise her right, turn her to her right, and then 2 walks. So I have her left with my right, the opposite. So we're going to go walk, walk. I back up, down the track, moving her forward, because the next part is a hand change. So let's go to the other side here, which you should be able to see. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. Walk, walk. Now when she turns to her left, triple step. I put her right hand into my right hand in the middle of her back. So as she's doing those 2 turns, I'm switching hands. Let's go this way. Hand changes, so really quick and low. 3, 4, 5, and 6. So here's the hand I'm going to use. So walk, walk, and then switch hands. Okay? If you don't switch hands, the rest of the move isn't going to work. And she doesn't want to do the hand forward. You're going to have to change it without her knowing it. So we're going to go a little faster. Sure. She's a good follow-up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Walk, walk, triple step. Okay? So then from there, she's on her right foot. I'm on my left. We're doing a normal whip. Walk, walk. Okay? On walk, walk, I know we're kind of over-rotated because there's a quick ending there. So you're going to take 2 steps like a normal whip would do. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Walk her 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn here. 5, 6. And then as she's finishing the 7 and 8, take your left and put it into her right. So it's a quick hand change, quick hand change. So before she realizes it, all the way through. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Everything low, guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. Waist level, bell level. So it doesn't over-rotate on her shoulder. Let's go front to back. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 walks, switch hands. 2 walks, switch hands. One more time this way. She picks up some simple. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 walks. Switch hands here. Hand change here and then. Right? It's a very cool move. The hand changes are what make it work. Once you master it, use it. That's why we showed it to you. Thank you, my dear.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Hope you like it. Give us a thumbs up. That's free to do. Subscribe for a free video every week. That's free to do. It's all for you because we love to share our dance with you every week. So have a good one. Until next time, have a great weekend as always.
Keep dancing!